Good morning, friends. This is Kiran Sir's voice, and we are discussing the lesson. So you think you can divide. In this lesson, we discuss about the old person and three brothers. And according to that, one day the old person died, and he discussing about the sharing the camels. So see page number 24, last paragraph, second last paragraph. What shouted Ruplal? What? Shouted Ruplal. Waste a good camel by feeding the whole village? You must be crazy. So that's why Lalji giving the two options. Uh, First is selling one camel and dividing the money, and second is killing one camel and give to the feeding to the whole village in the memory of father. So that's why Lalji disagree about the both ideas. So till here we discussed last period. Now we starting the next. See page number 24, last paragraph. The argument went on and on in this way. Every time one of the sons made a suggestion and other two disagree with it. So what is the meaning of that? In this way they discussing the whole argument, and one is giving the one idea, two become a disagree with these ideas. Their voices got louder and louder. Their faces get redder and redder, and there was much stamping of feet and shaking of feet. So this discussion becoming a silent to louder, and they become angry to each other. So that's why they fighting to each other. See the next paragraph. When the argument become more heated and was reaching its height. So when the argument become more heated, जब वो आर्गूमेंट ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लमेटिक बन गया, ज़्यादा ऊंचाई तक पहुंचा, रीचिंग इट्स हाइट, एक ऊंचाई तक पहुंचा, अ मैन केम दैट वे लीडिंग अ कैमल बाय अ रोप. So the three brothers discussing about the sharing the camels, and that's why they're discussing to each other. One is giving the ideas, and two become a disagree with its. So this argument become a quarrel and reaching its one height. एक ऊंचाई तक पहुंच गया, and a one man came that way leading a camel by a rope. So this is the situation for that. See in the picture, they are discussing Ruplal, Nathu, Lalji. They are quarreling to each other, and one old person, says person, coming to his camel. So that's why this is the story. The man looked like a holy man. He paused to listen to the three brothers arguing, and here he is discussing there, arguing to each other, and the sage person, came near and see the whole uh, circumstance there. After some times, the holy man came closer to the brother. और पास आ गया. Now, my friends, said the holy man, I am sorry to interrupt your discussion, but can I be of any help? So that's why the sage person said that. Now, friends, I am seeing you last time, and I'm also become a closer. You are discussing and arguing to each other. So I'm sorry to interrupt. क्या मैं तुम्हारे बीच में बोल सकता हूँ? कैन आई बी ऑफ एनी हेल्प? क्या मैं तुम्हारी कुछ मदद कर सकता हूँ? सेड द होली पर्सन. ओके, गॉट इट. It is not very good to fight and shout at each other. You may burst a blood vessel. So that's why the holy person said that. The holy person said to the three brothers, this is not a good thing to fight to each other and shout at each other. एक में के ऊपर चिल्लाना, फाइटिंग करना, ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. You may burst a blood vessel. So आपकी जो वेसल्स है वो बर्स्ट टूट फूट सकती है, वहाँ से खून निकल आ सकता है. सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज द होली पर्सन सेड टू द थ्री ब्रदर्स. एट फर्स्ट द ब्रदर्स वांटेड टू सेंड द मैन अवे. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? पहले पहले तो वो तीनों भाई उस सेज पर्सन को निकाल देना चाहते थे वहाँ से, बट देन दे थॉट he might be able to help them with their problems. So that's why he realized that this is the holy person and this is become for the solving the problem. So that's why they discussing to that holy person. Well, holy man, said Ruplal. Ruplal क्या बोले? Well, we are quarreling over the inheritance that was bequeathed to us by our father. So that's why Ruplal said to the holy person कि बोला कि वो वी आर quarreling, हम झगड़ा कर रहे हैं ओवर द इनहेरिटेंस. इनहेरिटेंस मीनिंग हेयर और सक्सेसर, उसका वारसदार. नोट इन योर डायरी, नोट इन योर नोटबुक. इनहेरिटेंस, हेयर, वारसदार, सक्सेसर. एंड बिक्विथ टू लिव बाय विल, दिस इज कॉल्ड मृत्यु पत्र. जो मरने के बाद लिखते हैं बड़े बड़े लोग, दिस इज कॉल्ड बिक्विथ, मृत्यु पत्र, जिसमें उसने क्या क्या, किसको क्या क्या दिया है, वो सारी बातें इंक्लूड होती है. दिस इज द बिक्विथ. बोथ वर्ड्स यू हैव टू राइट इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, आई एम नॉट गिविंग द सेपरेट because there is some problem. So that's why these are the meanings. See properly and write in your notebook. See again. We are quarreling over the inheritance that was bequeathed to us by our father. फादर ने जो इच्छा पत्र लिखा है, बिक्विद लिखा है, और हेयर के लिए हम लोग झगड़ रहे हैं. We do not mean to quarrel, but there was not seem to be a solution to our problem. So that's why Ruplal said we do not want to quarrel to each other. हम झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहते थे, but we do not solve the problem. So that's why we are quarreling. Rupral then told the holy man all about the camels and how they were to be divided. So Rupral gave the all over information to the holy person about regarding the father's bequeath and regarding the camels and dividing process. The holy man listened to the story with great interest. उसने बड़े आराम से और समझदारी से पूरी कहानी उन तीनों भाइयों की सुनी. When the story was over, he smiled wisely. He smiled wisely. जब स्टोरी ख़त्म हुई तो वो वाइजली यानी क्लेवरनेसली वहाँ पे हंसा. What is the reason he laughed there? Because the holy man understand that what is the problem between the three brothers, and holy man have a solution regarding that. So that's why this is the silly thing and you are quarreling. So that's why the holy person smiles there. Okay, smiles wisely. Till here we can stop here. I hope you understand better and properly also. Okay, thank you.